up? Welcome back to Lazzzysundaze, and if you guys don't know me, my name is Tiffany, and today I want to share with you guys how to take care of your skin this winter season because it's cold AF outside. I don't want to go outside at all. Right now, where I live, it's currently one digit degree amount. I don't even know what to say, but it feels like negative 20 degrees and it's like super scary. By no means I'm a skin expert because I myself have really sensitive skin. Like one day it'll be perfect and another day it will be a lot of discoloration or like a lot of redness. But I think I finally find some products that work for me and I want to share with you guys. And I'm also going to share with you guys some tips that I find really useful during the winter season. So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I take care of my skin during this time, then just keep watching. First thing I always do is to take off all my makeup. So what I use first is this oil-based cleanser. It's from Malika Co. Zero purity for sensitive skin. If you can see inside, it's like really creamy, really thick. So what I do is I just take a little bit of this and then apply this all over my face. Just kind of massage it, and then also at the same time when you're massaging it, all this makeup will come off. And after that, I usually use a tissue to just kind of wipe it off, and then you can see all this dirt and makeup that you have on your face on this tissue. And I will link every product I mentioned down below. And the next step will be I actually clean my face. And one of my favorite go-to is this brand is from Neogen Dermology. And this is a green tea foam based cleanser. This is 100% naturally brewed soothing bio cleanser, and I absolutely love this because it actually really cleans your skin. I've just been using this a lot, and then it purifies and cleans your pores and then kind of just takes off additional makeup, additional dirt that was still on your face after the first step. And this one smells so good, oh my god. And after I do the double cleans, I use this exfoliator sometimes, not every day. This is Skin Food Strawberry Black Sugar Wash Off. Exfoliates my skin so nicely, and then it smells so delicious. I kind of always want to eat it. It smells like a strawberry jam. Yeah, I usually exfoliate 3 times a week. That's it. I don't do it like every day. I think that's kind of too much for my skin, especially when I have a sensitive skin. I usually use this whenever I'm taking a shower, so it just feels really good. So after I thoroughly clean my face, I'll use this Witch Hazel Rose Petal Toner. And I love this toner. It is like the best toner in the world. It's alcohol free, which is very important. I don't really like to put a lot of alcohol-based products on my face because it dries out your skin. I use this no matter what. I use this during the summer, I use this during the winter. I just use this to hydrate my skin after I do all this cleansing. It's 100% natural. It's been here since 1847. And then after that, I will use some essence, which is, to me, it's very important because you kind of dry out your skin after you do all this cleansing. You kind of want to put some hydration back to your skin. So then I use this Time Revolutions Essence in the Intense Moist. I absolutely love this product. Your face will just feel really glowy and really smooth. It kind of just nourishes your skin without doing a lot of things. You just need a little bit of this to put on your face every day. I've been using this for half a year and I still only use this much. I am definitely gonna buy another one, duh, because this is the best. I cannot live without this. You cannot live without Essence. So twice a week I will put some mask on. I usually use sheet masks instead of mud mask or anything else because during this time my skin's really dry and I really just want to hydrate and moisturize my face. So all of these sheet masks do different things. It depends on what you want to do during that day. I usually buy a lot of them and then just like put it somewhere. I will just pick out which ones I want to use and stuff like that. These things adds up. They're really expensive. I think like $3–4 for one. It's crazy. I usually get them when they're on sale or they're like Marshalls, you know. Definitely give these a try. And I usually use this twice a week. I don't use this every day because that will be too expensive and also too much. I think this is my favorite part of nourishing my face. I will use this Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Serum with green tea seed. I absolutely love this little bottle of serum. It's my favorite. It immediately moisturizes your skin. I just want to smother my face in this every day, especially during the winter because my face is super dry and this is super moisturizing. But I use this morning and night, like no joke. I think this is one of their most popular serum and product. So definitely give this a try if you guys haven't, especially if you guys have like dry skin. Oh my god, this is like heaven on earth. After the serum, I usually put another layers of lotion just to have like further hydration and kind of just like lock everything in to my skin. And then I just use this Vaseline lotion. It's intensive care and it's unscented. It just feels so good on your face. It just does what it's supposed to be doing, just, you know, hydrates your skin and moisturizes your skin. This is not expensive at all. It's like $2. I think this is like a travel size, so it's definitely like $2 to $3 or even $1. But this works really well. I use this for my face. This is like a little bottle for my face, but we also have like a huge bottle for our body. It just feels so good. So now I'm gonna move on to my lips, and during this time of the year, oh my god, my lips are like chapped AF. It's not even funny, like all the time. It's just like no matter how many times I apply my lip balm, it just doesn't work. It's just always chapped. But one of my best friends, Christina, introduced me to this product. Perfect! I'm not kidding. This is the best thing for your lips right now during this time of year. This is Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I absolutely love this product. It's like a little jar and you just need a little bit and apply this all over your lips and just go to sleep. And then the next morning it just feels so nice. It just makes your lips feel super moist, and then it won't have those cracked that you usually see when people's lips are chapped. It's like life-changing. I'm not kidding. I've been using this non-stop, and it's a really small bottle, but you just need a little bit of it every day. And usually, I mean, I carry like 4 to 5 lip balms with me for some reason. I have no idea why, like daily, so I just use them off. After I start using the sleeping masks, I don't really need the lip balm as much. If you're like someone who applies lipstick like almost daily, this is perfect, because a lot of times when you apply matte lipstick or like any lipstick, it dries out your lips. So then it kind of just makes it even more chapped. My friend who gave me this told me that she saw this in the store and then she really thought of me, which is really sad, because that just means that the first impression of me is chapped lips. So now I'm gonna move on to body, because during this time of the year, my body, my skin is always so dry everywhere. I love soaps. I use soaps for everything. You know, my body and all that stuff, washing my hands. I just love soaps for some reason. But if you guys are like me who love soap, I will say to get rid of those soaps during this time of the year, because it's not good for your skin right now. Soaps, usually once you wash it with soaps, it kind of just leaves like a layer of protection to your skin. But during this time, if you want to apply even more stuff, like for example your lotions or anything that you want to put on your body to nourish your skin even more, it will kind of just create that blockage for all the stuff that you have. So I use this Dr. Bronner's soap, and I got this from Whole Foods, but I'm pretty sure you can get it from anywhere else. I use this to wash my body instead of soap during this time of the year. This one is 18-in-1 hemp tea tree and pure Castile soap. So it's really liquidy. I just recently purchased this and I would let you guys know how it feels. But definitely, especially during this time, use liquid soap. And for my body, obviously, you always have to put lotions on, because, you know, during this time, why not? We just purchased this huge bottle of lotion. It's also Vaseline Intensive Care. Same thing as what I use for my face, for the lotion, but this is just like a bigger jar of it. Usually we put our large bottle of lotion around this area. This is our living room area. Over here I also have some random stuff, pistachios and then some nuts. So then this is our little snack whenever we're watching TV or like a movie. And here is the lotion. so then we can just use it whenever we're, you know, sitting down, massaging ourselves, kind of just like put the lotions on. So also you don't forget to put lotions on because it's like right in front of you. So we always just put it in this area. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do, please do give me a thumbs up. I also do a lot of simple, very easy makeup tutorials, and also some travel vlogs and some fashion tips and all this stuff. So it's like a lifestyle kind of channel. If you guys want to follow me, subscribe down below to Lazzzysundaze. And then definitely take care of your skin during this time of the year, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!